Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the world. Enable cheats, switch to creative, and test in a small area. Once done, place a repeating command block to run a core/execute loop, then chain conditional blocks to handle timing. Use /summon for entities like falling block or fireball because those drive the event. Make sure to label blocks and use different colors for power clarity. This avoids accidental loops. Now you have the backbone to trigger disasters reliably and repeatably. Next, build complexity by adding a scoreboard to track phases and tags to mark targets. This lets you control multiple disaster stages. Once tags exist, use /execute positioned and rotated with stored math to spawn varied events. Incorporate /spread players or randomized offsets for unpredictable impact. Make sure to limit effects using radius checks and invisible armor stand markers, because that prevents world clutter. Finally, chain conditional command blocks to advance the scoreboard, creating staged escalation that feels natural and cinematic. To finish, run iterative tests. Start slow, observe performance, then increase intensity. This helps you tune spectacle versus stability. Once comfortable, add safety nets. A global kill switch using a scoreboard and protected safe zones that check permissions so players can opt out. If you run into lag, make sure to lower spawn rates, reduce simultaneous entities, or widen timers. These changes fix most issues quickly. If commands fail, verify tag names and command block faces. A wrong orientation breaks the chain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.